Welcome back to Product Critique, your ultimate destination for in-depth reviews and recommendations on the latest products hitting the shelves. Today, we're diving into the world of vibrant hair colors with a spotlight on the Arctic Fox vegan and cruelty-free semi-permanent hair color dye in Purple AF. If you're on the hunt for the best temporary pink hair dye for dark hair, you're in for a treat. Let's kick things off by talking about what sets this product apart. Arctic Fox has truly raised the bar when it comes to semi-permanent hair color. Not only is it vegan and cruelty-free, but it's also packed with nourishing ingredients that leave your locks feeling healthier and deeply hydrated. Plus, with a formula free from drying alcohols, PPDs, and harsh chemicals, you can color with confidence. Now, what makes this dye stand out, especially for those with dark hair, is its ability to deliver intense, vibrant color even on unbleached strands. That's right. Say goodbye to dull, lackluster results and hello to head-turning hues that truly pop. Whether you're starting with platinum locks or light brown tresses, the Purple AF shade offers endless possibilities. It works wonders on a variety of base colors, delivering deep tints of purple that are sure to make a statement. Plus, thanks to its highly pigmented formula, you can achieve salon-worthy results right in the comfort of your own home. But here's the best part: applying this dye is a breeze. Simply follow the instructions provided, and you'll be on your way to bold, beautiful color in no time. And don't be afraid to get creative. Mix and match shades to create your own custom look, or experiment with different application techniques for a truly unique style. How long will this vibrant color last? Well, rest assured, Arctic Fox has you covered. With proper care and maintenance, including using sulfate-free shampoo and washing with cold water, you can enjoy your new hue for weeks on end. Plus, thanks to its conditioning properties, your hair will feel softer and more manageable than ever before. So, there you have it, folks. If you're ready to elevate your hair game and unleash your inner color chameleon, look no further than the Arctic Fox vegan and cruelty-free semi-permanent hair color dye in Purple AF. Trust me, your locks will thank you later. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews on all the products you love. Until next time, happy coloring!